In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your bookmarks and settings into the Brave browser. If you're moving to Brave from another browser, this quick process brings over your essentials so you can pick up right where you left off without rebuilding everything from scratch. First, open Brave and look to the top right corner of the window. Click the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger icon. This opens the main menu where all the key options live. From here, hover over or select the Bookmarks option, then choose Import Bookmarks and Settings. This takes you directly to Brave's import window. Next, you'll choose the browser you're importing from. There's a drop-down menu that typically includes popular options like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Select the one you've been using. If you don't see your browser listed, make sure it's installed on your device and that it's closed before trying again, as some browsers lock their data when open. Now it's time to choose exactly what you want to bring over. You'll see checkboxes for items like bookmarks, history, passwords, and autofill data. Bookmarks will bring your saved sites into Brave. History helps Brave recognize and suggest pages you've visited before. Passwords can save you from retyping logins. And autofill data includes saved addresses and similar form information. Select only what you need. If you're on a shared device, consider whether importing passwords is appropriate for your situation. When you've made your selections, click the Import button to begin the transfer. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a moment. Keep Brave open and let it finish. You don't need to do anything else during this step. Once the import completes, click Done to finalize. Your data will now be available in Brave. Bookmarks usually appear on the Bookmarks bar or inside a folder called Imported, making them easy to find. Your browsing history will populate in the History section, and saved passwords will be available through Brave's password settings. Autofill information will start appearing as suggestions when you fill out forms. If something you expected isn't there, you can run the import again and double-check the boxes you selected. It's safe to repeat the process, and Brave will handle duplicates intelligently in most cases. That's all there is to it. You've successfully brought your browsing life into Brave. Enjoy a familiar setup with Brave's performance and privacy features, and you're ready to browse without missing a beat.